Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss a numerical of previous year GATE questions on semiconductors. According to the given numerical, it is written that consider the geometry shown in the figure. There is a picture of a semiconductor has been given where L is given by 10 to the power minus 1 centimeter, W is given by 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter, and D is given by 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter. And the value of I written as 1 milliampere and Vx is 12.5 volt and Bz is 500 Gauss. And the Hall voltage Vh is given by minus 6.25 millivolt. We have to find the types of the semiconductor, concentration of the carriers and mobility of the carriers. Now if we look the diagram that is given, in that case we can see in the z direction a magnetic field has been given and the value of the magnetic field is given as 500 Gauss, and the D value is given by 10 to the power minus 3 centimeter, and the W value is given by 10 to the power minus 2 centimeter, and D value is here, and this is the value of, so this L value is given by 10 to the power minus 1 centimeter, and Vx value is given by 12.5 volt, and the current that is flowing inside the semiconductor is I, and the I value is 1 milliampere. So we can say the current will be 1 milliampere. So this is the total scenario that has been given, and also it is given that Vh value is minus 6.25 millivolt. So if we look at the value of Vh, so Vh, that is the Hall voltage, is given by minus 6.25 millivolt. So minus 6.25, so we are getting a negative value of the Hall voltage. That's why we can say it is a N-type semiconductor. And next thing, the Hall voltage Vh, we know the Hall voltage has a equation of I into B divided by rho into W, and this B value has been given, I value given, W value given, and this rho is the carrier density inside the semiconductor, and this charge carrier density is nothing that, since it is a N-type semiconductor, so we can say it will be N into Q, where N is the concentration of the electrons and Q is the electronic charge. So if I put the value of N and Q, then we can find that N will be equals to I into B divided by Hall voltage mod into W into Q. So this is the equation that will give the concentration of electrons of the given sample in the numerical, and the value of the current is given by 1 milliampere. So we can write 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere, and B is given by 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 and VH is given by minus 6.25 millivolt and it is mod, so we can say 6.25 into 10 to the power minus 3, and W value is given by 10 to the power. If we look at the W value, so W value is given by 10 to the power minus 2, and Q value will be 1.6 as we know into 10 to the power minus 19. So after doing the calculation, we will get 5 into 10 to the power 21 per meter cube. So this will be the value of the electron concentration in the n-type semiconductor. Now we have to find the mobility value of the carriers, that is the mu n. So for calculating the mobility value, we know that the mobility equation of the electron or in an n-type semiconductor is given by, according to the Hall effect, it will be I into L, Q into N, Vx into W into D. If you look at the equation, then I, L, Q, N, Vx, W, D, all the parameters are given in the numericals. If we put all the values and if we calculate, then you will get as 0.10 meter square per volt second. So this will be the value of the mobility of the electrons of the given samples. In this way, we can calculate the value of the mobility, the value of the carrier concentration, and the type of the semiconductor that is given inside the numerical. Thank you.